Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and because Thanksgiving is coming up, I'm sharing my stovetop stuffing hack that will make preparing stuffing on the big day super easy, but it will still taste homemade. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes. Now let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 1 pound of ground sausage, 1 chopped onion, 3 chopped celery stalks, 3 cups of chicken broth, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 2 6-ounce packages of stovetop stuffing. Begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter in a large saucepan. Then add the chopped onion and chopped celery. Saute for about 2 minutes. Crumble the ground sausage over the vegetables and cook over medium heat until the sausage is cooked through and no longer pink. Add the butter and the chicken broth to the sausage mixture, then sprinkle the packages of stovetop stuffing over the top. Stir to combine. Continue to gently stir until the butter has completely melted, then cover the pan and allow the liquid to be absorbed for 10 minutes. You can serve this stuffing immediately or transfer it to an oven-safe dish and cover with foil. I hope you love this stuffing as much as I do and that it helps make your Thanksgiving day a little less stressful. The recipe is in the description below, as well as a link to the printable version on MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.